If your diesel truck is struggling to fire up on a chilly morning or stalling out as soon as you put it in gear, it might not just be a bad battery or old fuel. You could be dealing with code P0540, which points to a malfunction in the intake air heater circuit. This code is common in heavy-duty diesel engines like the Duramax or Powerstroke that you see all over American roads. Unlike gasoline engines, diesels rely on heat from compression to ignite the fuel, and when the weather gets cold they need a little help. The intake air heater is an essential part that warms the air entering the engine to help it start and idle smoothly until it reaches operating temperature. The system uses a heating element much like a giant toaster wire, along with relays, a temperature sensor, and sometimes a blower motor. When the powertrain control module detects an abnormal signal from this circuit, it triggers the light and sets this code. You will definitely notice this when the temperature drops, as your cranking time will get much longer and the engine might run very rough until it warms up. The most common causes are a burnt-out heater element, a faulty relay that is not sending power, or corroded electrical connectors that are common in areas where road salt is used. To start your repair, look up the technical service bulletins for your specific truck, as there are often known fixes for these heater circuits. Do not touch the heating element itself because it gets extremely hot and can cause severe burns. Check the electrical connections for any green crusty corrosion and make sure the wiring is not frayed. You can use a digital multimeter to check for power at the relay when the ignition is turned on in cold weather. If you have power going in but nothing coming out, the relay is your culprit. If the relay is working but the air is not getting warm, the heating element itself might have failed. If you find that the engine still will not start after checking the basics, it is time to have a professional shop look at it, because diesel electrical systems can be quite complex. Getting this fixed will save your starter from unnecessary wear and make sure your truck is ready to work no matter how cold it gets outside. Stay warm and keep that engine humming.